Welcome to the Drawing Center. I'm going to give you a quick tour of everything that the center has to offer and where everything is located.
First of all, let's take a look at the bookcase. So this bookcase is located at the end of the table, as you can see, and on the top here are two orange crates that have tons of different drawing books inside for you to choose from. Maybe you want to learn how to draw Pokemon or different cartoons, or maybe you're into some Zentangles or learning how to draw people or shading. All of those books and resources can be found right there in the orange crates. So now let's take a look at the actual bookcase itself. Inside the bookcase, you'll notice several shelves and containers. First of all, the paper that you want for drawing is located right here on the top. You just take a piece when you're done with your plan, write your name and homeroom on the back, and then you can start your project. Each bucket contains something to do with drawing. We have Q-tips, blenders, like if you're going to draw with just pencil and you want to do some shading, you can use those blenders. Or spiral art, that's where you take some of these plastic things out, and you can use these by putting a little circle inside and tracing around. It makes a neat spiral design. We have stencils, so if you want to trace some things, and in the stencils are these great little tools, which you can also use for tessellation. So to create a picture or something that repeats, you can use those. Here we have chalk that you can use, all different colors. Oops, look at that. Somebody put a marker in with the chalk. That's not supposed to be in there. And an empty container. Remember, you want to keep things neat and organized so you can find it the next time you come in. In here, we have oil pastels, and these are kind of like crayons. They're soft, they don't smudge. You can mix one color on top of the other. They're a really great thing for drawing. Down at the bottom, as we go down the bookcase, we have these things. These are texture cards, and you've got a big box and a little box. And these are textures that you put underneath your paper to give a picture some texture. It's what we call visual texture. So you can use those. And then, of course, we have colored pencils and crayons. And you can also use the stuff from your box as well. So when you want to draw, you can use that. Now, if you don't have drawing supplies and you don't see what you want in the orange bookcase, you can come over here. These are the borrowing boxes, and this cupboard is always open, and you have different buckets of tools that you can borrow, but remember to put them back when you're done, so that way everybody in the school gets a chance to use them. When you're done at the Drawing Center, make sure that you put everything in your portfolio, that's your artwork, and then return all the supplies. And you want it left as clean, if not cleaner, than when you got there. Don't forget to push in your chairs at the end of class, and then it's time to go.